Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I've got a double Coach unboxing. Yes, and this is a true unboxing. I did not take a peek of either of these items, so I'm really excited to share with you. This little one is actually for my hubby just in time for Valentine's Day, and then this one is for me, a little treat for myself. So why don't we open the big one first, shall we? So let's get in here. I'm actually really excited to see the color because I only saw it online. This was an online order. And I want to see it in person, and we're going to talk about my love for Coach and this specific type of leather that they produce. So first let me get in here. Okay, nicely wrapped tissue paper, little sticker. Okay, I haven't done an unboxing in a while, so this is really exciting. It's fun. Okay, so oh, a box within a box. Here we go. Very nicely done. So as you can see, it's flat. It's clearly not a handbag for those of you who were thinking it might be. Can't be a handbag. It's very flat, but hopefully you'll be just as thrilled as I am. Dun, 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 dun. Wow. That color, my gosh, it really pops. So this is just a little gift from me to me. For those of you who don't already know, I am obsessed with writing and writing down my ideas, my thoughts. So I have lots of pretty notebooks and notebook covers, and this is my new one. This one here is in a beautiful bright pop of pink, and it's got the turn lock closure, the classic Coach turn lock closure in that brass hardware. So it opens like so, and let's see, it comes with the notebook insert as well. So this one was $75. I think it's a really nice value for having a full leather notebook cover, and it includes the actual notebook. So the reason why I like this is because whenever I run out of the paper, I can just simply refill it versus having to buy a whole new leather bound book, right? Which I have done in the past, and I realize it's kind of wasteful. So here's the actual notebook. Let's just see. Okay. And then, oh, it has a little bit of history, something in there. I just saw some wording. Yeah, there's a little bit of history printed on the bottom of some of the pages. Like this one says, the iconic horse and carriage was the first Coach hallmark. So, okay, anyway, this is the notebook. It's got lined paper, and then let's take a look at this beauty. How soft and supple is this? For those of you who don't know, I love glove tanned leather from Coach. I did a whole video a while ago about the history of Coach and how they came to be known for their glove tanned leather, and how the wife and husband duo at the time who founded Coach, they really were inspired by how baseball mitts or baseball gloves are finished to be really soft and supple and moldable and comfortable, but also very durable, right? So this is original natural leather, it says, and then here it has the Coach stamp, and it says, this is a Coach notebook crafted to last. It is made of glove tanned leather. Yes, wear it out to wear it in. Oh, okay, wear it out to wear it in. It will only get more beautiful with age. Oh my gosh, it's so hard to read this through the phone lens, the camera lens, but yes, so this is going to get more beautiful with age, and I know that because dun, 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 this is my favorite Coach bag. This is the Coach Rambler 16 size, the mini, which unfortunately they discontinued and they haven't brought it back, but I know a lot of you love this bag as well and wish that you had grabbed it when it was available for sale. But this is so soft, and I've had it now for a while, and it definitely gets softer and more beautiful over time. So this too is glove tanned leather. See here, it says original glove tanned leather. Gorgeous. So I've owned quite a few Coach bags over the years. Those of you who've been following my journey for a long time know that my very first designer handbag as a teenager was from Coach. So this brand definitely holds a special place in my heart, but I've gotten rid of basically all of my Coach bags over the last few years, and I've only kept this one, and this was the only glove tanned leather one that I ever owned from them, and I can tell you that this leather is very, very special. So not all Coach leather bags are created equally. I really feel like glove tan leather bags from Coach are in a whole separate category, and I highly recommend that you check them out if you haven't already. So every time I open this to jot down notes and write down my thoughts or my ideas for new YouTube videos, I'm gonna have a really fun, cheerful pop of color, and I'm gonna get to feel this beautiful leather, and I just love this fun turn lock. So if you're looking for a little treat for yourself or for a loved one for Valentine's Day, the color is spot on, and I'm so happy. So let me clean this up. By the way, for those of you who are interested in seeing exactly what type of shade of pink this is, I brought over some of my other pink goodies to compare. So I know this is very popular. This is the new candy pink from Longchamp, and I know many of you are very, very excited about this color. So this one here, and then I've got my Chanel Mini O case in the bubblegum pink, and then I've got this Dress Up Your Purse collab that I did, and it's more a rosy violet, so it's got more purple undertones. Sun is shining perfectly brightly through the window right now. Good timing, so I'll show you. So these two, let me put these down. So these two match actually quite closely, as you can see, the Longchamp and the Coach. Beautiful, cheerful shades. And then you've got the Chanel one, also a very, very close match if you like this color. And then this one's going to be the most contrast because this, like I said, has the more like jewel toned purple undertone. But for those of you who are pink fans out there, this, I'm telling you, I will link it down below. I'll also link this one down below because I know that some of you are trying to get your hands on this before it sells out. Whenever Longchamp comes out with new colors, they sell out pretty quickly. Also, I will show you the other two notebook cover / agenda covers that I have. This one here is from Hermes, and this is the Ulysses notebook cover, and it's in the gold Togo leather with palladium hardware, and you get the notebook separately. You can choose blank paper like I did or lined paper, and so this is really gorgeous and luxurious. You've got the raw leather here, but it is quite big and it's going to be pricier. Then I've got this one here that is supposed to be the same exact size, I believe, as the Louis Vuitton Agenda MM. And this is from Organize My Bag. It's in a black grainy leather. So I'll link this down below. I do have a promo code for Organize My Bag. But I'll show you size-wise. This beautiful pink one is just in between these two. So the Hermes one is bigger overall. So this one I usually keep at home because it's kind of big to carry around. And then this one as well. So if I'm going to use one of my tote bags, I can easily carry this, and I'm going to take it with me on my travels. I love to ride on the plane. So just want to show you that. And if we're talking about pink, I do have to show you these gorgeous pink roses that I received from Rose Forever New York. Yes, New York based. They preserve all of the roses with non-toxic natural oils. I have several of these sets sprinkled around our home. You guys know I'm a huge fan. So these are meant to last for a year. Yes, gorgeous. And actually I have older ones that are more than a year old and they're still holding up beautifully. This one here happens to be the 2 dozen 24 roses set, and it is the crystal collection, which is my all-time favorite. So they've got a lot of different options. You've got hat box options, you've got heart-shaped, which is perfect for Valentine's Day, but this is my favorite because it's multi-purpose. I've showed this before. This one is the largest one I've received so far, so it has an acrylic drawer or box. I'm going to show you how you can use this, but right now Rose Forever is having a massive sale for Valentine's Day. Plus, I'm going to link a promo code down below. You can save an additional $25 with my code. So as you can see here, this longer set, it's a rectangular box and the drawer pulls out and you can actually lay your sunglasses in here. I'm going to imagine at least 6 to 8 pairs of sunglasses can lay in rows and rows, keeping it really tidy, super organized. And then it's really easy for you to access every time you want to pull out a pair of shades. Or you guys know how much I love my Hermes bracelets, and I've kept all the boxes. I can organize them in here as well. So I am thinking creatively how I want to use this set. But look at that. Perfect. You can put some in the back even. Right? Probably fit one more. Yes, I can fit plenty more. So beautiful, isn't it? I've also used previous sets to store some of my SLGs like so. So there's a lot of different usages aside from the fact that you've got beautiful roses preserved to last at least a year. And I also use this tray and I put my beauty products, I put my fragrances. So this is a great value, especially at 60% off. So definitely check out Rose Forever. All the information will be down below in my description box. Now let's move on to this little box here. I'm going to have to put it back together nicely later because this is for my husband. I hope he will like it. So my husband is the kind of person that once he likes something, he uses it forever until it falls apart and is in pieces. And that is what's happening to his existing card case or little wallet. And that one too is from Coach, but it is over a decade old and has been well loved and well used. So I thought I would get him a new one. This is a slightly different design. This one here, beautiful, beautiful leather quality. It says Coach New York, very subtly embossed on the front, and it's vertical. So let's pull this out. Yes. Okay, so you've got nice curved little card slot here and then one straight card slot here. So that's 2. And then nothing over here, one more here, so that's 3. This is not a card slot, it's for the money clip, and I'm going to talk about that in a minute. So that's 3 slots, and then you've got the main compartment over here. Interesting. So this is vertical, and then the main compartment here for cash. Actually, he doesn't put cash in here. I think he puts more cards. He puts cash here. So the key is that he likes slim, really minimalist, compact wallets or card cases to keep in his pocket, but he always has to have a money clip. Always. That's just the way he rolls. And I have to say I did a lot of research because I thought he's been using Coach for so many years, and while it has held up so beautifully, I want to get him something different. I looked at Hermes. Nothing like this. I looked at Ferragamo. I looked at so many. I've even looked at like new up and coming non-branded type of companies that are online, and they don't have the right configuration with the money clip. So I thought, I think Coach is still the best bet, and the price is so good, under $100. So if you're looking for something like this, either for yourself or as a gift for a man in your life, then I will link this down below as well. It's so good. It's so good. It's really soft. I'm hoping he'll like it because he has no choice. The one he has now is literally like, it's probably about 15 years old and it's falling apart. So that is it for today. 2 little goodies from Coach and these beautiful roses from Rose Forever, New York. Be sure to check out my description box below for all the links and promo codes and additional information. Leave me a comment, and if you have any questions, let me know. I will try my best to get to them. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Whatever you have planned for Valentine's Day, if you are celebrating, I hope you have a wonderful time, and I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.